Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Har Har Mahadev. Shravan Maha Mahatmya, Chapter 25. Description of the Pithori fast observed on Shravan Amavasya. God said, O great Muni, now I will describe the best Pithori fast. This fast, which provides all the wealth, is observed on the new moon day of Shravan month. This house is the abode of all things. Hence it is called Pit, and in worship, a group of things is called Ar. Hence, O Munishwar. Therefore, the name of the fast is Pithor. Now I will tell its method. Listen carefully. The wall should be painted with copper, black, or white metal. If it is painted with copper, then it should be painted with yellow color. If it is painted with black color, then it should be painted with white color. And if it is painted with white color, then it should be painted with black color. Or make a picture with white, yellow, red, black, or green color. Make a statue of Lord Shiv or Shivling with Parvati in the middle and draw many things of the world on a wide wall. Draw the kitchen with Chatushala, temple, bedroom, 7 treasuries, the woman's inner chamber, which is decorated with palaces and towers and adorned with sal trees, decorated with stones and bricks, firmly bound with lime, etc., and which has strange doors, roofs, and playgrounds. Draw goats, cows, buffaloes, horses, camels, elephants, moving chariots, many types of carriages, women, children, old, young, men, palanquin, swing, and many types of stages. Draw all these. Write about vessels of gold, silver, copper, lead, iron, clay, and brass, and other types of different colors. Write all the things related to sleeping: cot, bed, mattresses, pillow, etc. Cat, myna, and other auspicious birds. Various types of ornaments for men and women. Clothes to be spread and covered. All the utensils of yajna. 2 pillars and 3 ropes for churning milk, butter, curd, tucker, buttermilk, ghee, oil, sesame. Write all these on the wall. White, rice, pigeon peas, barley, maize, vartanal, a type of grain. Gram, lentil, horse gram, green gram, kangani, sesame, kodo, grain called katsi, savan, rice, black gram. Also write all these categories of grains. Seal, mortar and pestle, stove, broom, all the clothes of men and women, winnowing baskets made of bamboo and grass, mortar and pestle, for grinding wheat, etc., and pounding pigeon peas, etc. 2 instruments, grinding wheel and threshing floor, fan, umbrella, shoes, 2 sandals, maid servant, livestock, food for animals made of grass, etc., bow, arrow, shatagni, a type of weapon, sword, spear, lance, shield, noose, gourd, mace, trident, bhindipal, tomar, mace, battle, axe, sash, bhushundi, parig, chakrantra, etc. Water instrument, ink pot, pen, book, all kinds of fruits, knife, scissors, many kinds of flowers, bilva patra, tulsi leaves, torch lamp, and diya vat, etc. There means many kinds of edible vegetables and all kinds of dishes. All of them are to be written. All the things which are not mentioned here also have to be written on the wall, because it is not possible to write everything here, as each substance has hundreds of thousands of varieties, and that is how much I could say. All of them should be worshipped with 16 remedies. Offer various types of perfumes, flowers, incense, and sandalwood in the worship. Feed the Brahmins, children, and married women. After that, along with Parvati, pray to Lord Shiva. May my fast be completed. O Sambh Shiv, O Daya Sagar, O Girish, O Chandrasekhar, pleased with this fast, please fulfill our wishes. In this way, fasting should be done for 5 years, and then Udyapan should be done. In this, home is done with ghee and bilv leaves by Shiva mantra. After settling down for a day, first of all the planet should be home. The number of ahuti should be 1008 or 108. O sun, after that worship the Acharya and give Bhuyasi Dakshina. After this, the person himself should eat with his friends and family. By doing this, a person achieves all his desires. He gets all the things that he desires the most in this world. O son, I have described this excellent Pithori fast to you. There has never been and will never be any fast like this which fulfills all the desires and prosperity and pleases Lord Shiva. Whatever a person draws on the wall in this fast, he definitely gets it. Thus, in the Sri Sakand Puran, in the dialogue between God and Sanat Kumar, in the significance of the Shravan month, the 25th chapter called Pithori Vrat Katha on the new moon day is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Om Namah Shivaya.